Property Talk by Steve Van Derodar. What caught your eye? Today's elevators are signs of higher necessity and efficiency. Every time we step on elevators, we wonder if their speed is beyond ordinary, or if they are something that offers proper convenience. While elevators are commonly shared in residential buildings, adding privacy and innovation is brilliant. Some elevators will only have a single stop right to your specific floor. There are also those energy efficient, carrying only lower loads to conserve energy. Yet, more and more trends are available options. The number of elevators in any building must usually match the size of the development or building. Yet, there is more newness in the coming years. In the Philippines, we can say that many of our buildings offer high-speed elevators at par with the latest technology. I should also mention that our builders, planners, and architects are significant players in Asia and the world. To one manufacturer, it stands, we cannot deny the role of large elevators in the rise of skyscrapers and high buildings, which contributed to the creation of spaces for housing, business, and others, and participated in the enrichment of civilization and the international economy. Elevators are considered an asset in buildings, and as they serve as a transport mechanism, they can also be obvious selling features in developments. Economic development would not have been possible without the continued and renewed development of its operating methods, mechanisms, and designs, as well as its reasonable cost compared to the cost of installations. Traveling to San Francisco earlier this year, I was just fascinated by how a click to the panel afforded me spectacular city views. I then recalled, oh yes, where I am at is a mixed-used building of the hotel and private residences. The many mixed-used buildings around the globe tell us that these specialized elevators are becoming a norm. Specific to developments, elevators can vary in size and model. And as more and more residential buildings in Metro Manila, you may now expect a few upgrades in their elevators due to competition, lifestyle proposition, and investment acquisition. Especially to all unit owners, better efficiency would translate to a higher appreciation. Moreover, various innovations have been introduced in response to rapid urbanization and market trends. In fact, in the world of elevators, there are now the following new trends summarized. Contactless technology. This innovation allows people to select their destination floor by simply scanning codes. This removes the need to come in contact with buttons or any other part of an elevator. Energy-efficient elevators. Using coated steel belts because it increases energy efficiency. Manufacturers use lightweight, lubrication-free, PU-coated steel belts in these lifts and elevators. Also known as green elevators, these elevators not only work to reduce energy consumption, but also facilitate energy recovery as well. Green elevators control load weighing capacity to conserve energy. This is because elevators that carry more than 50% of their average weight tend to use more energy. Therefore, the system will check and balance the number of people it can lift before working, thereby conserving energy. Smart connectivity. Smart elevators are the future for elevators. These elevators are internet connected. Their cloud connectivity or sensors will allow you to detect possible breakdowns even before it takes place. This predictive maintenance technology will facilitate quick analyses, identification, and resolution of problems for better service. Also, these intelligent elevators are equipped with effective and easy-to-use communication technology. The interactive touch panel is one of the systems put in place. It provides emergency call technology in the case of an emergency, system monitoring, and even passenger entertainment. This facilitates better communication among the building's equipment, customers, passengers, and technicians. Twin elevator system. This new trend just became an efficient way of resolving traffic in busy places much faster and more efficiently. The twin elevator system works so that they are placed in the same shaft but are independent of each other. A device monitors the distance between both elevators to keep them from bumping into each other. During peak traffic periods, this design helps reduce passenger wait time and helps passengers get to their destination on time. Cable-less elevator. This type of elevator has grown famous fast in the elevator community. You'll find them the most in mega skyrise buildings because of their ability to move horizontally and vertically. Cable-free elevators are energy efficient and reduce the impact of carbon footprint. Intuitive elevators. Elevators like this are intuitive enough to help commuters commute faster and easier. They intelligently assist passengers in selecting what elevators will be the best when reaching a destination at the least transit time. They do this through their intelligent grouping and destination-based intuitive technology. Given these new trends, a website on tech updates opinion that elevator technology has become even more effective and efficient. And with time, we predict that even more innovations will likely be developed. This way, confirmation to the new market will only mean better and more efficient. Time is telling us that the wonders of technology are just within our every step. Should we say that choosing your suitable investment can begin with the right elevators for you? Stevenson's experience in Philippine real estate spans more than 15 years. He has been involved in horizontal, vertical, vacation, and commercial properties. He has worked as an international property specialist for markets in Asia, Europe, and North America, with Ayala Land, Federal Land, and Century Properties. Through Philhouse Hunters, he offers real estate investment opportunities, marketing, and consultancy with a critical focus on Metro Manila and Mega Cebu areas. Visit www.philhousehunters.com. Email at derodarsales@gmail.com. In New York City, Stevenson is affiliated with Elegren Forbes Global Properties as a real estate advisor and licensed real estate salesperson. Forbes Global Properties is a global network of elite real estate professionals, including brokers, developers, and agents, who specialize in luxury properties. Through Forbes Global Properties, members can connect with affluent buyers and sellers across the globe and showcase their high-end properties on a global stage. Stevenson is both a member of the Real Estate Board of New York REBNY and the National Association of Realtors. NAR. Email him at svderodar@elegran.com.